Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Garage, and today is going to be a little bit of a garage update. We've got a lot going on here. We've actually shuffled the garage a little bit. We're going to be getting rid of a car and we just got another car, so let's get right to it. So as you can see, we've still got the 1957 GMC truck. We have the 2023 C8 Corvette. We have the 2019 Corvette Grand Sport. Well, not for long. We're hopeful that this one's going to be sold next Friday. We have a gentleman coming up from Florida, and we're selling this so we can make a little bit of room for the next project coming into the garage. Still got the 63 split window. That's a beautiful car. Just finished the 1960 Corvette Restomod. That one is running good. Still got the 1933 Auburn Boat Tail, which is a beautiful car. Got the cat's eye wood headlights. And we still have the Beast, the 2021 GMC Denali Diesel. In the lower garage, we have the Porsche 911 still, and also the Porsche Cayenne GTS. Now, what's new to the garage that we're coming up on is a 1972 GMC Jimmy. And this is kind of my somewhat of a barn find project. It's going to be called Barn to Road. The project Barn to Road, because it is going from the barn and it's going to eventually be on the road. I've got a whole introduction video on my other channel talking about this particular vehicle, what we're going to do to it. This is a shell of a vehicle at the moment. It does have running gear underneath it, but it does not have an engine or transmission. So this is going to be a major project. We're going to be picking colors here in the future. We're looking at some red and whites. It's going to be a two-tone combination at the end of the day. We believe it's going to have a center white color, and a white top. There is a top out back we have for this. This has a ton of room under the hood. And that's where we're going to be placing a new 6 or 6.2 liter LS with a 4L7, actually a 4L60 transmission. We are going to get a lot of new body parts, new front fenders. The doors are new already. We're going to get new bed sides. We're going to get a new floor in the bed, and we're going to clean up the floor in the front and the cab. We're going to convert it to an AC vehicle, so we're going to put AC vents in. We're going to do Dakota digital dash. We're going to have vintage air. It's going to have a Restomod type radio, and probably some high back bucket seats, roll bar, and hopefully we're going to have shoulder belts in this vehicle. So there's a lot to come in this project. We're going to be doing a lot of it on our Full Octane Insurance channel, kind of the budget build series that we're going to have. We're going to try to do this thing on a budget the best we can. It is going to be expensive because we're going to put a lot of new parts into it, but it's going to be a lot less expensive than if we went out and bought one in the open market. We'll probably be into this vehicle for half of the price of the retail value when it's done. So we're going to show you how to put a little bit of elbow grease, a little bit of DIY, and have high payoffs and returns. So thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage. There's going to be a lot more to come.